So you're looking to pick up some grooming clay, and all you really want to know is, does this stuff work well? Well, see for yourself. Now, I've been cutting and styling my own hair for the past 13 years, and believe me, in that time frame, I've tried a lot of different hair products. And no joke, this grooming clay is the strongest hold grooming clay or pomade that I have ever tried. I just put a little bit of this stuff in my hair, and I haven't used any hairspray whatsoever, and it has been like this all day and held up with just insane volume. When it comes to styling my hair, I'm a big fan of more natural looks, so I really like how, as you can see, this grooming clay doesn't leave any kind of wetness or shine on it, and it doesn't give my hair that like really weird crunchy feeling. The grooming clay itself also has quite a unique texture that is a bit softer than a lot of grooming clays, but is not quite like a hair wax, but it's really easy to work with. It also smells really nice and is kind of like a scented candle. So if you're looking for an affordable grooming clay that's made of high quality ingredients and is going to hold up your hair and give you volume all day while also smelling pretty nice, then I definitely recommend picking up this one for yourself.